What's the website and what's your handle?
What'd you say?
What's the website and what's your handle?
Oh, for like us or the Prime Bar? Prime Bar. It's just, I think it's Prime Bar Official on Instagram. Prime Bar _ official.
Awesome. We're filming every booth and every product here at CHAMPS and putting it on YouTube.
Okay, hi.
What's your names?
I'm Callie. I'm Caroline.
Right on. And what's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Eaten? I don't know. I like everything, honestly. I'm not picky at all.
Oh, okay.
The weirdest thing? Oh, maybe hot fries with nacho cheese on it. I feel like that's kind of weird.
I'm trying to think of like a weird combo I like. What's something weird that I eat?
Pickles and...
I don't like pickles.
I don't know, okay. I don't know.
Maybe that's weird.
Yeah, maybe that's weird. Oh, I don't like chocolate or potatoes. People always find that weird.
Okay.
Anyway.
No chocolate covered french fries.
No, definitely not.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
Good. What's the website and what's your handle?
You can scan it right here.
Getinfused.com. Awesome. We're filming every booth, every product at CHAMPS. We're putting it on YouTube.
Oh, I don't think I want to be filmed.
Okay. Well, thanks for talking to me. What up? What's your website and what's your handle? What's your website?
GotBonerBears.com.
What was it?
GotBonerBears.com.
GotBonerBears.com. What's the handle? Is there social media?
Boner Bears.
Boner Bears.
Yes, sir.
Right on. We're filming every booth, every product here at CHAMPS, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Amazing.
Awesome.
Thank you.
And what was your name?
Bryce.
Bryce. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
How's it going? Good. How you doing? Pretty good. What's your website and what's your handle?
Website is mobiuspay.com.
All right. We're filming every booth, every product here at CHAMPS, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Oh, fantastic. Well, we're Mobius Pay. We specialize in high-risk credit card processing, so we handle everything from kratom, THCA, CBD, adult, sex toys, gambling, so anything, all the fun stuff.
Right on. Awesome. And what was your name?
Jeff.
Jeff.
Mobius
Right on.
Pay.
Oh, thank you. What's your website and what's your handle?
agechecker.net, and we take care of age verification solutions. We make sure kids don't get a hold of products for most of the folks in here.
Right on. And we're filming every booth, every product here at the show, putting it on YouTube.
You got it.
Right on.
Sweet.
Where?
This is just the little demo we have here. Again, we make sure kids don't get a hold of products, and we try to help out everybody here at CHAMPS. Keep the industries going.
Right on, man. What was your name?
My name's Joe.
Right on, Joe. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great show, guys.
You as well.
Right on.
What's your website and what's the social media handle?
Our website is tacmisting.com.
Okay. And we're filming every booth, every product here at CHAMPS and putting it on YouTube.
Sounds great.
Right Right on, man. What was your name?
I'm Tom.
Awesome.
Our system is a humidity control system. It's basically a maintenance-free system and fully automatic. There's nothing for you to do except set the humidity for what you want in the room, and everything runs automatically.
They can get it on the website?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right on, man. Thank you. What's your website? What's your handle?
www.hawaiianbudline.com. Handles at Hawaiian Budline. Hawaiian cannabis seeds.
Right on, man. We're filming every booth, every product here at the trade show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Oh, right on, man.
Awesome. What was your name?
Nick.
Nick.
What's up, guys?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. What's the website and what's your handle?
The website?
Yeah.
www.destinofarms.com, and we do like THCA, syrups, gummies, edibles, everything that with cannabis.
Awesome. We're filming every booth, every product here at the show and putting it on YouTube.
Oh, awesome. Thank you guys so much.
Right on, what's your name?
Vinny.
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 Nice to meet you. Right on, man. Thank you. Good. What's your website and what's your handle?
Our website is superspeciosa.com. And what was the next question?
What's your handle?
My handle, Super Speciosa.
Awesome. We're filming every booth, every product here at the trade show, putting it on YouTube.
Perfect. Thank you, guys.
Awesome.
Nice to meet you.
What
I'm
was your-
Gabby.
Gabby, nice to
Yes,
meet you too.
nice to meet you.
Thank you. Bye. What's your website and what's your handle?
Freshfreshners.com.
Okay.
Fresh Freshners is the handle.
It's the handle.
Yes, sir.
We're filming every booth, every product here at the trade show. We're putting it on YouTube.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Awesome. What's your name?
Yaniv.
Yaniv. Right on. What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
A jellyfish.
A jellyfish? Oh.
Skewer.
In you when you're eating it?
Huh?
They skewer when, oh, like.
A skewer, they put it on the grill and then you eat it.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Got a shirt? What's the website and what's your handle?
Sorry?
What's the website and what's your handle?
We don't have that.
No website? No website. We're filming every booth, every product at the trade show. Putting it on YouTube. Thank The Indian spot? the website and what's your handle?
Sorry?
What's the website and what's your handle?
I don't know. The website?
The website?
No, I don't know because it's new, the brand. It's 3BB in Instagram.
What is it?
It's honey, natural honey.
What's the Instagram?
My Instagram?
Well, their Instagram and your Instagram.
3BB.
Trippy B?
Yeah.
And you?
Adesa.
How do you, what was it?
AYESA.
AYE. Oh, okay. We're filming every booth, every product here at the show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah. And what was your name?
Adesa.
No,
Sorry,
okay.
I speak a little bit English.
It's okay. Where are you from?
Argentina.
Oh. What's the weirdest? What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Eat?
Yeah, and it was like weird.
I don't know.
All right. Well, thank you. Thank you. Ready? Yeah. Argentina. Really? Yeah. Hello. I got this one.
Yeah.
What's the website and what's your handle?
This is Swift.com. And I don't know what the Instagram handle is.
Where?
Swiftbar.
Swiftbar.
SWFTBAR.
Awesome. And we're filming every booth and every product here at the show. And we're putting it on YouTube.
Very cool. Very cool.
What was your name?
Katie.
Katie?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice to meet you.
You as well. Thank you. Yeah, sure. What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Octopus in Japan.
I had octopus one time, and I think it was raw, and then the little sucker stick in your throat. Yeah, it's weird.
That's crazy.
Right on. Thank you. Bye. What's the website and what's your handle?
Website, chapoextracts.com, and handle, chapo.extracts.
Chapo.extracts. We're filming every booth and every product here at the show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Let's go.
Right on, man. What was your name?
Shale.
Shale.
Yeah.
What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Weirdest thing I've ever eaten? Probably raw squid.
Oh, raw squid.
It's pretty, yeah.
Is it good?
No. Gotta try everything once, dude.
Yeah, I feel that. Right on. Appreciate you.
Yeah, have a good one, guys.
You too. What's your website and what's your handle?
So www.caliextracts.com. And then, hey Blake, remind me the Instagram handle. Isn't there an underscore? He's the guy.
Why is this stuff the best?
We're California's most premium Delta brand. We use all the best manufacturing. We got the most creative marketing team. I could go on and on, but really you got to try it to see why it's the best.
Try it. And what was your name?
My name's Jackson.
Jackson. Right on, man. Appreciate you. We're filming every booth and every product at the trade show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's on good. It's Cali.extracts.
Cali.extracts.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you guys.
Right on. Thank you.
Thanks for stopping by.
Yes, sir.
I'll be right back.
Bye. What's the website and what's your handle?
Oh, the website is www.westcoastgoldcaps.com, and our ad name for Instagram is at westcoastgoldcaps_.
Awesome. We're filming every booth, every product at the show, and we're putting it on YouTube.
Oh, cool.
What makes this the best?
We're strain specific, so unlike other brands, we have no additives. We only have the mushroom specific to strain and dark chocolate, and then like a blend of spices that help, like with the upset stomach or the headache, things like that.
Right on.
Yeah.
And what's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
The weirdest thing I've ever eaten? Fuck, I don't know. That's hard.
What was your name?
My name's Sam.
Awesome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.